Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing, starting off the day with some nice conditions out there and expecting fairly nice conditions as we go through the work week this week with just a few breezy days mixed in. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have high pressure in control over the region. That's going to keep things quiet. And we do have a broad area of low pressure well off the southeast coast that's going to keep us in a northeasterly flow over the next few days. For current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we have clear skies with just seeing still some of that smoke in the upper levels from the Canadian wildfires. Otherwise, winds are light out of the north at 4 knots, temperature at 64 degrees, and relative humidity is at 72%. If we look at the current visible satellite, we can see that smoke showing up on the visible satellite, but overall clear skies and temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the region, and nice day out there this morning. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model, expecting dry conditions as we go through today. Could see some pop-up showers well north of the area over the northeast part of the country, but those dry conditions continue into the evening hours, where we'll see a slight chance of some low clouds trying to sneak in for the early morning hours Tuesday. Otherwise, as we go into the day on Tuesday, mainly just high clouds around with another nice but slightly breezier day for our day on Tuesday. And then continue dry conditions as we go into Tuesday evening, as well as we go into Wednesday. A boundary starts to show up over the northeast as we get late in the day on Wednesday. That looks to fizzle out, at least at this time, before as it makes its way into our area on Thursday, but not expecting any precip as that boundary starts to weaken and miss us slightly to the north. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, expecting mainly green conditions as we go through the day today. We'll see temperatures climbing into the low 70s. We'll see a breeze out of the northeast pick up a bit, around 9 to 14 knots. Could see peak winds up to 17 knots for the afternoon, but overall mostly sunny and seasonable today. As we go into the evening hours, we'll keep that east-northeasterly wind lightening up a bit as we go through the overnight and into the early morning hours of Tuesday. We'll see those high clouds on the increase, and if we pick up that yellow risk for those reduced ceilings, as we'll do see a slight chance of some low clouds in the area, some models indicating a little bit of a marine layer kind of trying to sneak in for the early hours of Tuesday, but that should be brief if it does happen. As we go into the day on Tuesday, we'll see things clear up. Otherwise, tides are running normal at the moment, but we'll be trending slightly above normal as we continue with that onshore flow. And looking at the next couple days, Tuesday looks to be a partly cloudy and breezier day. We do have that yellow risk for winds at or above 25 knots. We do see those winds elevate a bit for our Tuesday. We'll see a high temperature around 67 degrees with the wind keeping things a little bit cooler. As we go into Tuesday evening, we'll see a partly cloudy evening and keep that slight breeze around, but not expecting any wind advisory criteria for the evening hours. We'll have a very slight chance of low clouds once again Tuesday evening. More so early morning on Wednesday, but a low around 52 degrees. And as we go into Wednesday, another partly cloudy day with a slight breeze and a high around 72. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.